Okay, I'm going to show you how to play the piece, The Old Clock. Now we're going to be using your second and third fingers in each hand on the two black notes. I want you to try to keep your fingers all the way open, even though these are the only two fingers that we're using in each hand. You just learned about quarter notes, and with quarter notes you get one count every time you play a quarter note, which means if all of these notes are quarter notes, they are all equal. 1, 1, 1, 1. So as I play, each note is going to be equal. So now I'm going to play the piece, and I'm going to say the hand that I play. I think this is a great way to know which hand to play. This is what can be really difficult about piano, remembering which hand to play when. So here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left. So now they want us to play this piece 2 times. So this time I'm going to play it twice. And for fun, I'm going to hold my pedal down. If you have a pedal, use that. If you're on a full piano with 3 pedals, use the one on the far right. That's the sustain pedal or the damper pedal. When you play with the pedal down and you let go, the notes will keep sustaining. All right, here we go, The Old Clock. There we go. I played it 2 times. As soon as I got to the end, I immediately started back playing it again with no stop. All right, have fun.